Hi, this is Carol from True Self Unmasked, and this is about your attention, one of your greatest commodities. What are you paying attention to? In this video, I will show you how to use this commodity to create your desired reality, to manifest what you desire. So what are you paying attention to? It's easy to see by what you think and talk about, because one of your greatest commodities is your attention. It is exchanged with manifestations. Based on your attention, it could be a desired manifestation, and based on your attention, it can be an unwanted manifestation. The manifestations that come are the ones that get the most of your attention. Or what are you giving your dominant attention to? You can tell by how you feel, what you think about, and how your life shows up. In order to have a desired life, you have to place your attention on desired things, people, experiences, feelings, or develop the skill of not judging negatively, knowing that we are one, knowing that all is well, knowing that everything is working out. But that is a more advanced skill, and it will come if you train your mindset muscles for that. But if you tend to judge people, things, and experiences, do this instead. This is a beginner's way to manage your focus, your attention. So pay attention to all the people and things and experiences that it is easy to feel good about when you see, hear, taste, touch, smell, and think about them. This is a great first step. So use this language to help you pivot away from what you do not desire, so that you pivot towards and attend to what is desired, so that you can develop a focus on what is desired, which is an easy way to manifest by having a dominant focus on the desired, which typically makes you feel good. So you have your attention, one of your greatest commodities, in the best place, and your emotions, another great commodity, at a high frequency, like peace, love, appreciation, optimism, joy, clarity, trust, etc., which are the emotions we usually feel when we are experiencing what we like and love. The universe has to submit to your frequency and give you more of what makes you happy, because we live in a like attracts like universe. So, beginner's guide is do what makes you feel good when you do it. Think what makes you feel good when you think it. And I'll play the song if I can find it.
Here we go. Woo. What is that thing that make you feel good? That make you feel good? That make you feel good?
What makes you feel good when you think it? Say what.
Yeah, is it sports?
So let's adjust some of these common sayings from the collective unconscious mind to get you going in the desired direction. So, number 1, wealth blockers. I'll never be rich. Money is hard to find. Rich people are greedy and selfish. That will keep money away from you. Wealth attractors. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. I am worthy of financial prosperity. Youthful blockers. I am getting old and unattractive. Aging is inevitable. There's nothing I can do about it. Youth attractors. I am ageless and eternally youthful. I radiate vitality and beauty. Health blockers. I'm too busy to exercise. I don't have the willpower to eat healthy. Health attractors. I nourish my body with love and care. It's getting easier and easier to commit to a healthy and vibrant lifestyle. Loving partner blockers. I'm not good enough for a loving relationship. Love is hard to find. You'll be right every time if you think that. Loving partner attractors. I am worthy of love and partnership. I attract a loving and supportive partner. Even the fire trucks agree with that, so you're on your way. Joyful career blockers. I hate my job. I'm not good enough to do what I love. Joyful career attractors. I am passionate about my work and I love what I do. I feel successful and fulfilled in my career. I'm taking the steps to change careers and do what I truly love, while I take care of me by keeping this steady job until I don't need it anymore. This kind of language will get you in the right direction, especially if you start to feel and believe it. I am free to create the life I desire. I am abundant, and the resources to live freely are showing up. With consistent repetition and belief, you can shift your mindset and emotions by pouring life-affirming thoughts, feelings, and belief into yourself. With this empowering language, you can be and attract the desires you seek. And if you are having a difficult time with your attention and your thoughts, feelings, and emotions, check the link in the description for my book, You're Not Going Crazy, 101 Ways to Silence Your Inner Critic. It will give you so many tools to choose from. You pick the ones you want and you leave the rest to get in control of your mind, your frequency, so you are attracting what you desire. Like attracts like. Your inner world attracts your outer world. I'm here every day. Thank you for stopping by. Carol at True Self Unmasked. Bye.